Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Puerto Los Cabos Golf and Spa Resort. It's a beautiful resort, and this particular category is the Junior Suite Garden View, but it's a swim out. I always love a swim out room. I'm sure you will too. Let me show you what it's all about. As soon as you walk in the door, you have your Do Not Disturb and Make Up Room buttons. I love that they have that there. You just flip the button. You don't have to worry about going outside, hanging something on the door that's probably gonna fall off. Right around the corner here, you have the Secrets box. This is a perfect delivery system for your room service. I think it's a great added luxury touch because you can order and then go jump in your pool, or if you have to run out for a second, it's gonna be here ready when you come back and you don't have to worry about missing them. Let me show you the bathroom, and as we head in, I just wanted to point out that this door does shut completely to give you a little extra privacy, and on the back of the door, it also has a full mirror. As soon as you come in, you can see it's a really good size. You have a huge double vanity here. Well, one half of it, the other half's on the other side. Right here, you're gonna have your scale underneath. You've got a small chair to sit and get ready. You've got your magnifying mirror right there and your amenities right behind. You're gonna see the other sink on the other side. You've got the hair dryer right there, and you have the incense. It's a great option that they have. I love it because my wife and I did our honeymoon at Secrets over a dozen years ago, and every time we light it, kind of get that smell that comes back and just brings the memories rushing back. We had a fabulous time then, and we always have a wonderful time at Secrets. You're gonna see your large jacuzzi soaking tub. It's even big enough for me, something that I really appreciate. And then over here, you've got the toilet with a door, another one of those marriage savers. The shower is a great size. You got the rainforest shower head up above, and I like that it's high enough that you get that waterfall feature. You're also gonna have your shower wand right there, little nook for the soaps, and a nice little bench seat down in the corner. You also have the clothesline, perfect for drying your bathing suit out. Now we're in the main living space. Over to my left, you've got a nice love seat. And I wanted to point out this architectural feature. If you want a little bit more privacy, of course, you can shut it, but it will let the sunlight come in, and it's great for playing a game of peekaboo. Right across from the chair, you're gonna see all of your storage. You've got hanging storage right here. You have your iron and ironing board. You're also gonna have your safe and your robe and slippers. Now, I love the spa here on site. Perfect place to wear those. If you want to check out the spa or any other location on the property, make sure that you check out our full resort tour. We go through all the restaurants, the lobby, all the spaces, including the beach, and well, you can see exactly what they're all about, and I'll explain all of them. Now you'll see that there's a large king-size bed. It's absolutely huge, perfect for me. On the side of your bed, you're gonna have your plug. I always bring an extra USB splitter so I can plug that in and I can charge all of my devices. You've got your fan controls right here. Appreciate that they have a fan. I always like to have the air moving. You can also have your screen closed and then great breeze coming through. Also located next to it is your light controls and the temperature controls. I love that it's right next to the bed. I know my wife's gonna crank it all the way up before we go to bed, and as soon as she falls asleep, it's going right back down where it was before. At the end of the bed, you've got this bench seat, a little bit of storage underneath, perfect to sit and tie your shoes. You've got your luggage storage, and then underneath you've got drawers. I love that it's right there because that way you can unpack and put it right underneath. Now below the television, you're gonna see your glassware, and then over here, you have your fully stocked mini bar. In addition, you're also gonna have your Nespresso maker. They'll replenish it daily, which is something that I love at home, so it's great to have it on vacation. Now your TV functions, of course, as a television, but in addition to it, you can access the menu for the room service. You can also access all of the activities for the resort. Right next to it, you've got a small writing desk. I do like they have two US plugs on the lamp. You've got your chair, and then there's another plug with two USBs tucked just behind. On the other side of the bed, you're gonna have a plug underneath. And I wanted to point out this tablet. It's a great feature because you can access all of the information from the resort. The hotel guide, remember those big thick things they used to have every time you'd come in, try to find information on restaurants. Well, this has all of it in there. They can update it as they need. And also, it has the spa menu. Absolutely love the spa here. The hydrotherapy was phenomenal. We really enjoyed it yesterday. You also can order room service. That's one of the best things that they have. And what I like is, oftentimes you call, I've been married for a really long time, can't decide what you want, confuse the person. This is a perfect way to do it. I hand it to my wife, she orders it, and magically it appears in the Secrets box, and we're both happy. Now let's head out to the veranda. I wanted to show you that these do slide back. You can shut the screen and get a nice little breeze coming through here. You've got 2 chairs and a table right there, perfect for a cup of coffee in the morning, maybe a cocktail later in the day, or to take advantage of that complimentary 24-hour room service menu. You also have a lounger, another table, but this is why you choose this category. You've got a great swim-up pool. There's a narrow ledge right here, so you can put your feet in the water. There's also a bench seat that goes around to sit in. I always like to bring an inflatable. I saw a unicorn over there that looked pretty cool, so you can lounge around and enjoy it. But it's such a convenient feature to be able to access this whenever you want. You don't have to get ready to go to the pool. Just put your bathing suit on and hop on in. Now, this particular category is one of the entry level for it, so what you're gonna find is that it's not a preferred club category. You can always upgrade if you want. We're happy to talk to you about the benefits of it, but it goes everything from a private pool, private breakfast restaurant, and your own private lounge with upgraded alcohol. It's a really fantastic thing to consider. Now, when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any suite at Secrets or Dreams, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have a fantastic relationship with AM Resorts, and we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your family, your group, your wedding at an incredible value.